Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn the column method for squaring a number. This method is only used for squaring a two-digit number. In this method we are going to use the whole square formula for two numbers a and b. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Two-digit number is a and b, where a is the tens digit and b is the units digit. So the first step here in this method is to make three columns. So in the first column we are going to write the number of name of the column. This is first column, this is second column, and this is our third column. And the next we'll have the terms a square 2 times a times b, and the third one is b square. Now I'm going to take one example here and we are going to fill in the columns according to the example. So let's have a question. We need to find the square of 49. So we have to find what's the square of 49. This is our question and we are going to find it with this method very easily. So here a will be tens digit, which is tens digit, which is 4, and b is ones digit, so b is 9. So our a square will be 4 square, which is 4 times 4, which is going to be 16. B square is 9 square, which is 9 times 9, it's 81. And 2 times a times b is 72. So now we'll fill in the values here. So our first term is a square, which is 16. The next one is 2 times a times b, 2 times a times b, which is 72. And our b square is 9 square, which is 81. Next step is to carry over the tens digit of the b square to the next column or the second column. So we'll take this digit from here and move it to the next column. We'll write the units digit here because this is going to be our answer or the final answer for after squaring the number. So we'll take this digit and we'll write it here. The next step is carry over this tens digit to the next column, which is second column. So we'll add 8 here. So this will be 80. Now we'll take this ones digit here and we'll write it in our final answer and then move this tens digit to the next column, which is our first column. So we'll add our 8 here. So this 16 plus 8, which is 24. Now we are done with our method. So this two digit we are going to write it as is here in our answer. So our answer is 2401. So 2401 is the square of 49. So this is how we find the square of any two-digit number by using the column method. So let's take another example here and solve it. Let's take number 63 here and we need to find the square of 63. So our a square is 6 square, which is 36. B square is 3 square, which is 9. And 2 times a times b is 2 times 6 times 3 is again 30. So first we'll write the a square term, which is 36. 2ab term, which is again 36, and b square term, which is 9. See here that there is no tens digit here on the b square term. So we can write 0 here. So first step is to write the terms, and then this term will come as is in our final answer. So we'll write this term, this 9 we can write it here for our final answer. Now as there is no tens digit, so we'll add 0 here, so plus 0. So here we are going to get 36, so we'll take the ones digit as is in our answer. So next term is 6. Next we are going to move this term or carry over our 3 tens digit to the next column. So we'll add 3 here. So then we are going to get 39, and these two terms we can take as is for our final answer. So 39. So our answer for 63 square is 3969. So this is how we can find the square of any two-digit number using the column method. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.